Accountant General of Pakistan Revenue bracket start AGPR bracket close is automizing pension process in order to expedite finalization of retirement claims of retired government employees, representative of the AGPR told a committee formed by the Federal Ombudsman on Thursday. Federal Ombudsman while taking complaints against delay in disbursement of pension by AGPR and different ministries had constituted the monitoring committee under M. Ayub, senior advisor and former additional auditor general, to evaluate the implementation status of pension reforms and to figure out as to how the pension payment process could be further simplified to facilitate pensioners. The committee on Thursday summoned the AGPR and officials from the Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Railways, Ministry of National Health Services, Federal Directorate of Education and Association for the Welfare of Retired Persons. Paragraph. A senior official from AGPR informed the committee that they had started automation of service statements / service books which were on the SAP system, and it would facilitate early finalization of the pension claims. The AGPR assured the committee of finalizing the pension cases within 30 days from the day of submission of documents. He said that pensioners along with their family members were still facing great financial difficulties due to delay in finalization of pension cases. The representative of AGPR added that though under the direction of the Ombudsman Secretariat, pension cells had already been established in all ministries and divisions, still lapses were noted in submission of pension cases. Paragraph. However, in family pension cases, payment of pension was delayed due to some legal issues, declaration, legal hearings, and unavailability of bank account of the widow and eligibility of family members. The Ministry of Health Services said no case of pension was pending with them. The Ministry of Railways informed the committee that they were facing serious financial problem in disbursement of pension to its employees and had requested the government to provision of rupees 9 billion for this purpose. As soon as the funds are received, all dues of pensioners would be cleared. The Finance Division assured the Committee of full cooperation for delegation of powers for approval of pension from the principal accounts